In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, Param Korunamay, Otishay Dayaban, Allahur Name Shuru Korilam. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear HSC first year students, today I am going to teach you from Unit 2, Lesson 2. And the topic is Science and Technology Against an Age-old Disease. Now, the age-old disease actually is leprosy. Now, it came into the world and the arrival time of the disease is not known, but it can be comprehended that from the time immemorial it is actually in the world. Now, in other words, people are actually thinking that it came when Bible came in the world. Now, initially the people actually thought that the disease would be disappeared after a certain period of time, but unfortunately the disease did not leave the world. Then there came the necessity to do research work on it, and that is why uh, uh, Steve Reed becoming the president and chief scientific officer, then an organization was actually formed, and the name of the organization was Infectious Disease Research Institute, IDRI, and it is actually a Seattle-based American organization. Now, they conducted research work on leprosy, and after the research work was completed, then actually Steve Reed decided or declared that one day there will be a time when the leprosy, the disease named leprosy, would be eliminated, would be abolished from the world, and there would be a time. Now, let us read the chapter. When I started working on the research and science of leprosy more than a decade ago, people thought this chronic infectious disease would eliminate itself and burn out over time. The reporter or the scientist or the president and chief scientific officer of IDRI is actually telling that when he started working on the research and science of leprosy more than a decade ago, people thought this chronic infectious disease would eliminate itself and burn out over time. That is, people initially thought that this disease would leave the world by itself, but unfortunately it did not leave. We didn't have time for that. That is, when they found that the disease was actually being spread, then they decided that there was any time. Then they started to organize the research team. Now, why the research team was formed? Nearly 250,000 new cases of leprosy are diagnosed every year. That is, every year, almost 250,000 people were being attacked by this fatal disease, and many more go undetected. That is, only 250,000 people were being detected or diagnosed, but there were many more who were actually out of the test, so they remained undetected. Approximately 10% of new cases occur in children. Now, another dangerous news is that almost 10% of the attacked people are children. Now, even though it's associated with biblical time, now the disease actually coming with the revelation of Bible. That is, when Bible came, and the disease actually associated with the arrival of the Bible. Here it is actually mentioned. Now, leprosy remains a problem in the modern era and was reported in 130 countries worldwide. That is, leprosy remains a problem in the modern era. Though we are actually remaining at the modern stage of the world, leprosy is actually remaining with us and was reported in 130 countries worldwide. Now, it has been reported that leprosy has been spread in 130 countries of the world. Exactly, it is behaving like our coronavirus. Now, COVID-19 is a disease actually caused by coronavirus. Now, when this report was made, actually COVID-19 was not there. That is why the disease leprosy has got importance here. Or else, I do believe that COVID-19 would have got much more important than this leprosy. Anyway, as long as this is our chapter, we need to read it. It's most prevalent in a number of countries throughout Africa, Asia, and South America. Now, these diseases actually have been spread through the countries of Africa, Asia, and South America. Now, symptoms include progressive and permanent damage to the skin. Now, what are the symptoms? They have actually mentioned that the skin would be damaged, then nervous system would also be damaged, limbs, forelimbs, hind limb, that is hands and legs are also supposed to be damaged, eyes are also supposed to be damaged, but they can take several years to appear. Now, as for coronavirus, we know that within 14 days, this can actually do harm to the people, but this leprosy takes several years. That is why it is really very difficult to detect whether the person is attacked by leprosy or not. That is why it is not easy to give proper treatment to the diseased person, making the disease hard to diagnose at an early stage. As long as it takes much time, longer time, so it is really very tough to diagnose the disease. Even worse, leprosy comes with a stigma. That is, it actually creates stain. That is, the skin is rotten. Then when the skin is infected, maybe offensive smell also comes out. So, unlike most other diseases, leprosy results in isolation, as people with leprosy are often shunned. That is, if somebody is diseased by leprosy, the other people actually avoid him, so he has to remain avoided, he has to remain isolated. Nobody goes to meet him, nobody goes to feed him, so he becomes an isolated person, and it is really very troublesome. And the good news, however, is that we now have the key scientific solution and momentum as well as key collaborations to finally have the opportunity to eliminate leprosy. Now, here actually Steve Reed is desiring that one day this leprosy would be gone, because they have done a lot of research work on it. I couldn't have said this 10 years ago. Now, before the research work was done, that is 10 years ago, it was not possible for them to tell that leprosy would be eradicated or would be abolished from the world. Now, at IDRI, we are also attacking leprosy in two different ways. Now, leprosy attacks people. Now, at IDRI, the scientist of the organization attack leprosy. Is really very interesting. Now, first, by developing a fast, easy to use test that provides an early diagnosis of infection before clinical symptoms such as nerve damage begin to appear. That is, clinical symptoms are the skin is damaged, limbs are damaged, eyes are damaged, and nervous system is totally damaged. That is why before the demonstration of the clinical symptoms, the organization had the capacity to diagnose the disease. So at the initial stage, the disease was actually diagnosed by the IDRI. This new approach is far superior to the traditional method of diagnosis, which has generally involved clinical and or microscopic assessment. Now, before IDRI, there was a traditional treatment system, and when the clinical symptoms were come out, that is when the people's skin was damaged, nervous system was damaged, eyes were damaged, then actually they started to do the treatment. But IDRI actually brought change. Then at the initial stage, they had the capacity to test it, and they could get the positive result of this leprosy disease. Now IDRI is also developing a companion test so that we can identify which people will likely progress to the disease and to determine the appropriate course of treatment. Now IDRI attained success in another matter, that they could detect the diseased person, and they also developed in a way so that they could detect the person, whether the person is going to be attacked by leprosy. That is, the probable person, the probable diseased person was also detected or diagnosed by IDRI. And second, by developing a vaccine that can be used therapeutically in conjunction with antibiotics to shorten therapy. Now, IDRI actually developed a kit to diagnose the disease named leprosy, and also they had an intention or they had an endeavor to invent vaccine for the disease. Now IDRI's diagnostic tools should be used to identify infected individuals, and IDRI's vaccine would then be used on a targeted basis for treatment of the patient as well as to immunize family members and close contacts. That is, IDRI did something gorgeous so far as leprosy is concerned. That is, they invented the tool to detect or diagnose the disease, and they also invented the vaccine, and they also invented a method to treat the person, those who are actually remaining at the closest contact of the leprosy diseased person, so that the person can be saved from the future attack of leprosy. This treatment and prevention strategy has been significantly bolstered by support from some pharmaceutical giants that donate the currently used antibiotics. That is, IDRI was actually doing the research program, but they had to receive support from other giant pharmaceutical companies, and they were lucky enough to get the helps from other giant pharmaceutical companies. That is, they uh, supported uh, to continue the research work to IDRI so that leprosy could be abolished from the world. Now, the most exciting part of this breakthrough is the fact that we are now right on the course of human clinical trials after a decade of leprosy vaccine development. That is, IDRI continued their endeavor to invent vaccine. Then, right when the report was being written, the uh, writer is actually telling that the vaccine is in a position to be used on human body. Now, the Food and Drug Administration will initially oversee the multi-stage trials on the USA before they move on to the Philippines, India, and Brazil. Now, here the author is actually desiring or believing strongly that the Food and Drug Administration will actually make sure that they will continue to support IDRI, and they would also make sure that the process would be fulfilled completely before they are going before they are shifted to Philippines and Brazil and India. Now, as long as they are remaining in America, they are desiring that firstly leprosy would be eliminated from America completely. Then, after the successful completion of the task in America, the author is desiring that they would go to Philippines, India, and Brazil. Anyway, global technology has been an integral part of our quest to eliminate leprosy. That is, the author is actually asserting forcibly that technology is actually playing vital role in the case of eliminating leprosy. The rapid diagnostic test for leprosy infection, for example, was developed in conjunction with a Brazilian company. Now it has been made clear by the reporter that a Brazilian company actually supported them to invent the tool or kit to diagnose the leprosy. First, this company combined IDRI's leprosy diagnostic antigens with a smartphone based platform that standardizes the ability to accurately interpret results and get a quantitative value. That is, this company of Brazil actually supported IDRI, and they performed their action by using the smartphone. That is, whenever any diseased person was diagnosed, then they used to conduct the further activities depending on the smartphone. Now, the test requires just a single drop of blood mixed with a developing reagent. Now, the author is actually telling that by taking a simple drop of blood by using the device or by using reagent, the leprosy disease could be diagnosed. Now, the appearance of two lines indicates that the person is positive for leprosy. That is, firstly, a drop of blood is to be collected from a person. Then when the blood is kept on the device, if the device shows 2 lines, it can be told that the person is actually leprosy positive, or it can be told that he is diseased by leprosy. That is by taking a simple or single drop of blood. Now from there, the information from the phone is pushed to the person's medical records. That is, as long as the person is anticipated, as long as the person is anticipated as a diseased person, he has a medical record. Now, when he comes out as a leprosy positive, then the report was actually sent to the medical report of the person. Then by combining all the medical records and leprosy positive record, then the person was given proper treatment, and this is how he actually could desire to come out. That is, he had a way to be cured. Now people around the world now believe we will soon have the tools to finally eliminate leprosy. That is, people actually have started to believe that one day they will be freed from leprosy. That is, the whole world will be free from leprosy. The next step is making this disease disappear. Now, in the next stage or step, the IDRI is actually going to abolish leprosy from the whole world completely. Now, and the discussion of the chapter, line by line discussion has been ended. Now, before ending the class, I would like to tell you that this chapter is actually about a fatal disease named leprosy, and the disease is not at all a good disease, and it had the capacity to ruin the skin, and it had the capacity to damage the nervous system, it had the capacity to destroy the limbs of human body, and it also used to destroy the eyes. So there came the necessity to eliminate the disease from the world. So IDRI was actually formed. Now Steve Reed became the president and chief scientific officer. Now he has actually prepared this report. Now we have actually read the report that was prepared by him. Now he had an intention that the world would be free from the disease named leprosy. Now when the report was actually being prepared, there was no actually COVID-19. That is why leprosy got much more importance. Now at present, the whole world is actually suffering from COVID-19. COVID-19 so is really very troublesome. So the report would have been given importance to COVID-19. But as long as the COVID-19 was not there, so the report has been prepared depending on leprosy. Now let us hope for the best, that one day the whole world would be free from leprosy, the whole world would be free from COVID-19 as well. And this is all for today. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining the class. Assalamu alaikum.